Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to today's video. We're gonna be doing an Amazon mystery box. Whatever could it be that I ordered from Amazon? Actually, it's heavy. It's all in here. You guys, can I just have like a little vent session with you? Because I am having the kind of day where everything is going wrong. It's like a domino effect. Like this is me and it's just like, meow, 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 like just all spilling over. I just like fell down trying to walk across the beauty studio. Like my toe got caught in the rug that has like these little loops and it was very dramatic. And I made all sorts of like screaming noises and my husband thought that I was like actually dying. He's like, are you okay? On top of that, I'm feeling so strange because when I went to Seattle, I was attacked by some kind of a bug. I don't know if it was a spider. I don't think it's a mosquito, but you guys, I had to actually put like an outline on this bug bite because yesterday it was like spreading. Have you ever endured this? I mean, I've been bitten by a brown recluse when I was a kid. That was a whole like thing. So anytime that I have a bug bite, I am like next level crazy because I'm just like, I'm dying. Oh my God, what's going on? I'm gonna be sick. And this happened like right before we're about to leave for a trip. So I'm just like, great, awesome. My doctor gave me antibiotics just in case. But so far we're good. We're good. It seems to be going down. So that's the kind of day that I am having. And then like other just like little annoying stuff that kind of compiles all together and makes this whole day feel like, oh my God, you know, like it's just one of those, man. Let's play with makeup. Okay, that always makes everything better. Actually, I don't even know really if there's gonna be makeup in here, but you guys, I love watching mystery box unboxings and I've seen Bunny do this. I wanna say I've seen Laura do this, but I've randomly like gone through the, Bunny hole of YouTube, which I've done it, you've done it, we've all done it, where you watch one video and by the end of it, you're learning how to knit a sweater. Do you know what I'm saying? These ones are fun to watch though. So we're gonna crack along. We're gonna crack into here and see what is up with this mysterious mystery box. You know what I really want to do? I want to do one of those things where you can purchase a storage unit and you get to go in and take whatever you want from like an abandoned storage unit or like lost luggage, which, oh my God, I lost a piece of luggage one time and it has some really good shoes in there. And I always think of that. I'm like, wow, what do they do with all that? When it doesn't find its way back to its owner. Like, I think I would be so down to go through all of that. Oh my gosh, what? West? Why does this say West on it like my last name? That's creeping me out. Be careful. Do not bend. Oh my God, this is creepier than I thought it was. This feels like some kind of like stalker sent me weird crap in the mail. Please open first. Number 1, ready for a snack. What have I gotten myself into? Okay, wait. What? There's a like what? Be careful, do not bend. There's a lot of that going on in here. Okay, you guys, we're gonna go into this one first. Break my heart. I can't eat these. Now with more frosting. Oh man. This is some s'mores frosted Pop-Tarts. This is so random, you guys. I truly have never done one of these unboxings and I have a gluten intolerance. So yeah, I'm not gonna be eating these, but maybe I will give these to my nephew who will be here very soon. How much was this mystery box? It's a mystery.
Hello.
Hello. Hey, how much was the mystery box?
$199.
Shut up. I got a Pop-Tarts in here for $200? Are you serious?
Yeah.
What? I just got so hosed. Oh my God. All right, back to the video.
Bye.
So, full disclosure, I had Taylor order this because I really did not want to know anything. Like, I wanted to sit down and be like, full mystery box, unveiled. And he went and got the one that was like $200. And so far we have Pop-Tarts. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's continue on the journey together. This better be something good. Okay. Stop it. Hey, no, stop that. What? Oh my God, no. Oh my God, why? Holy f. Oh my God, no, no, no.
Hello.
This Hold on, I need to catch my breath. This just turned into a really creepy video. How did the buyer know who they were sending this to? I just opened a t-shirt with my name on it.
It said Tati Westbrook?
It says Westbrook.
Oh, well, it's because when I bought it, it said Taylor Westbrook.
Okay, so they just like, I thought that you like pre-bought this, that they didn't like get your money and then go, okay, we're gonna make you a t-shirt. Like what?
Apparently, I mean, I don't know. That's kind of weird.
That is weird, right?
I'm going to double check that this is the official one. It should be, though.
So far for $200, I have a box of Pop-Tarts and an ugly t-shirt with Westbrook on it that feels scratchy.
Maybe, hopefully the t-shirt wasn't like a $90 shirt.
This is the shittiest thing ever. I'm giving this to you and I'm forcing you to wear it. This is Bo Rose's next Instagram pic right here. Oh my God. Okay, I don't know why I find this creepy, but I guess this mystery box was assembled after purchase and they made a t-shirt. Whoever I bought this from made a t-shirt. It's pretty giant. It's kind of scratchy. It so far has not added a lot of value to my Pop-Tarts and this. Let's keep going. Stop it. Jeez, God, this was a really, really bad idea. No! Why do I have, what is this? And it looks really dirty. Derek Fisher bobblehead. Be careful, don't bend. Let's see what we have in here. Oh my God, I thought that I was gonna get something good. This is turning into like, you guys, I fell. I've been dealing with weird texts on my phone. Like I have a behind the scenes issue that I'm like dealing with right now that's making my heart elevate. I have my bug bite, which feels really dramatic. And I'm unboxing weird stuff that I got for $200. I have a Pokemon card. Why? Oh my God. I do not recommend mystery boxes, you guys. This was the worst idea. I'd rather buy makeup. Or is this valuable? Is this of some value? Pokemon cards? I have another Pokemon card. What? Stop it. I just got so hosed. Let me guess. If this is another Pokemon card, stop it. Stop. Yes, it is. Okay. And now we have another Do Not Bend. Yep, there we go. Now there's this. Do Not Bend, but it's bigger, so it's not gonna be a Pokemon card. I cannot. I can't. Stop it. I paid $200 for someone to write on a piece of cardboard. This is not right. Like, this is just not okay.
Hello.
Say hi to everybody.
Hey.
Hey. Oh, both of you. Do you want to see the best part of my mystery box so far?
Yeah, what is it? Hope you have a great day. Question mark, question mark.
No, that's like a smiley face. It's a piece of cardboard. So far, I have paid $200 for Pop-Tarts, a piece of cardboard, and a couple of Pokemon cards.
Oh my God.
I blame you. I blame you.
Me?
Yes.
What a ripoff.
I know, and I have 3 things that feel like t-shirts. They probably say Westbrook.
I mean, yeah, like getting a custom t-shirt, that's pretty expensive. It's like a $90. So the rest is just $2 items.
Oh, wait. I got a bobblehead, too. Does this seem valuable? Yeah?
Derek Fisher no longer plays for the Lakers.
Is this valuable?
No, he stopped playing for us years ago. I've got something I'm going to show you. Bring a computer out.
Oh. All right, we get James in the video. Sweet. It's James. Hi.
Amazon mystery box, random surprise box, great birthday gift, no junk.
It says no junk?
It says no junk.
This is all junk. How'd that happen? Amazon, you have some splaining to do. Look what I got. Do these have value? Would you like a Pop-Tart? You can eat gluten. Would you like one of these? They might be poisoned.
I don't think that they're valuable, Taylor.
Do you want, why don't you try this on? I'm gonna open another one.
Whoa, how did they have your name?
I know, right? Oh,
That's creepy.
this is a fake Supreme shirt
How do you know it's fake?
because it's by A Style. It's like a silk screen.
Oh, it's counterfeit goods.
Counterfeit goods, more counterfeit goods that are giant, by the way. Oh, I got some Trump stickers because you know everybody needs that in their
Yeah.
life. And Oh my gosh, another Supreme.
Could they get more
Oh
original?
my God, no! I want my money back.
Amazon, what's wrong with you?
I'm not having a great day. This cardboard stinks. Oh my God, can I tell them the story about how you injured me doing that?
Sure.
Okay.
So start with this. I know how to throw cards, like
Wait,
playing cards.
This is the bonus for like the bad video because I really thought there would be cool stuff in here. It was $200.
See the card.
Like I thought there would be cool things.
So you guys see the perfume bottles in the back corner right there? Watch this. Ah, I missed.
And that's how the story I'm about to share with you happened. Are you gonna do it again
Okay,
and
so
again?
watch this.
Okay.
I was
Okay.
like, this
So
is
he used to be
horrible.
really good. He could like do these tricks where he'd be like, pew, and the cards would like fly. And he's like, check it out. Go stand over there. And we had only been dating for what, like 2 weeks?
Yeah, maybe.
And I was like, oh, cool, because he did all these cool tricks. I'm actually going to insert a photo of us on maybe, what was it, our third or fourth date?
Third date.
And you did the salt.
A fork and a spoon bouncing off the tip of a toothpick
Yes.
on the side of a glass.
We were at Jerry's Deli, and I was sitting there. I was just like, magic. Like, I was like, ooh, more tricks. And you had like all these tricks.
I had a few tricks up my sleeve.
So anyway, we're at my apartment, and he's like, stand over there. He's like, I'll get it right to the lamp right by your face. And I'm the idiot that's just like all giggly and falling in love. And I'm like, okay. And I go and I stand and I'm just smiling and standing there. And he throws the card and it's like one of those little,
Ninja throwing
yeah.
star.
And it literally grazed the side of my face.
I cut her.
I had like a paper cut from a playing card on the side of my face. It was very dramatic. I made you.
I felt awful.
I know you felt really bad. And I played it up for a minute, but I was okay. I survived. But it was just so funny. I'm like, dang it. Only like a couple weeks of dating. And yeah.
I could really throw this.
No, please don't.
Watch the perfume. I'm kidding.
All right, you guys. So I guess that's this video. This was dumb, dude.
Never buy an Amazon
Don't-
mystery box.
Yeah, this is
ever.
like the lesson of the day. Do not buy Amazon mystery boxes. I mean, even this is kind of questionable. I don't know. All right, you guys, I love you so much. Sorry about this video. I truly am. I'm gonna go about the rest of my day. I will have more videos coming to you shortly. I upload 5 days a week at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so make sure you are subscribed and ring the bell, drop it down to all so you don't miss any of my cool videos.
Drop it like it's all.
Drop it like it's all. My other videos are not as bad as this one. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Thanks for hanging out anyway. I hope you're having a good one and I will see you in my next video.
Mwah.